Rippa Machinery Group, which owns a factory area of 10,000 mu. The fully automatic production has created batch after batch of high-quality machinery. Rippa product range covers mini excavators, large excavators, skid steer loaders, forklifts, loaders, and other mechanical equipment. The products have been certified by various norms, such as ROPS, CMA, CE, and ISO 9000 qualifications. With continuous innovations, Rippa provides supreme mechanical equipment for global buyers. To better serve customers all over the world, we have established 4 overseas warehouses in the United States, 2 in Canada, and 2 in Europe. We use national standard copper wires, the quality of which is more durable. Equipped with a fully automatic selling terminal machine, it can be ensured that each terminal is precise. Each wire has a corresponding label and exists independently, which is useful for checking wire conditions. A spare fuse is equipped on each wire and can be disassembled independently. Equipped with a lock design, the plugging joint is easy to maintain and inspect. Standard for the oil pipe is much higher than that of the oil pipe used in the industry. According to the plunger pump pipeline standard, a pressure of 55 MPa shall be used. Our upgraded pipeline reaches 70 MPa. Each oil pipe must pass a pressure resistance test before being used. Therefore, it is more pressure resistant and has a longer service life. The hydraulic pipeline is equipped with an independent joint. A variety of models are available. The factory is equipped with LNC and CNC latches, circular saws, etc. for the production of accessories, and a stricter control of accessory design, processing, and assembly. Each pin has been quenched, soft on the inside and hard on the outside. Several processes such as centralized grinding and galvanizing treatments have improved the quality of the steel. Central lubricating system are made of bearing steel, with oil seepage holes on the surface, which is convenient for quick lubrication and paint. The bushing clearance is only 0.015 mm. It features high precision, mass production, and sufficient supply. The body steel plates are all laser cut, with higher cutting precision and more accurate data. The stamping technology ensures that parts have high dimensional accuracy, and the stamping technology has higher strength and greater rigidity. Fully automatic welding robots ensures welding quality and improves welding efficiency. The fully automatic pipe bending machine, which replaces segmental welding, has reached a new level in terms of the performance of the whole machine. The steel processed by the shot blasting machine not only has a smoother and brighter surface, but also increases the spray adhesion. Different from the polluting treatment of pickling and force feeding, we all adopt natural gas spraying treatments, which meets European standards for environmental protection and can meet the need for various colors at the same time. Each process has been strictly and accurately tested, and all accessories can only leave the factory after passing the quality inspection. With hundreds of production patents and brand agents all over the world, Rippa is dedicated to creating the top brand of construction machinery.